Hi, I'm James with Worksport, and today I want to introduce you to one of our most exciting new innovations, the Worksport COR, a next-generation portable power system built around a modular, swappable battery platform. The COR redefines what personal backup power can be: compact, quiet, and completely under your control. Designed to keep your essentials running when the grid goes down, COR delivers reliable, high-output energy you can set up anywhere. The vision, design, and innovation behind COR is 100% homegrown, which makes it one of the only portable power stations to be developed and engineered right here in the US. This, along with its patented modular design, stands out in a crowded marketplace filled with the same system design. Now let's take a look at what you'll receive when you order. The standard package comes with the COR inverter, a Worksport Safe Power removable battery, as well as a carrying case for the various cables and product information, which includes an AC charging cable, a PV solar charging cable, and the instructional manual. If you want more flexibility, you can add extra batteries anytime. Charge one, use another, keep the energy flowing. You can also pick up the external AC power adapter so you can charge batteries outside the inverter. That way one battery can be charging while another powers your essentials. We'll explore more accessories and add-ons later in the walkthrough. Now that you know what COR is and what you get when you order, let's walk through the features together, starting with the COR inverter and the power behind it. All your outlets are right here up front for quick access. You get two 100-watt USB-C ports and four 18-watt USB-A ports, so COR can power laptops, tablets, cameras, and phones all at once, fast and without extra adapters. And when you need even more power, COR has you covered. It delivers the same clean, reliable energy you'd get from a home wall outlet, anywhere, anytime. Equipped with four 120-volt AC outlets, COR will deliver up to 2,000 watts of power, so you can run everything from TVs to fridges. And when one battery runs low, just swap in a fresh one and keep going without missing a beat. COR keeps everything running, from the job site to the campsite. You can brew coffee in the wilderness, run tools off-grid, and keep your essentials going no matter where you are. No gas, no loud engine noise, no limits. This is the COR battery, a 1 kilowatt swappable lithium iron phosphate battery built on Worksport's Safe Power system. Each battery delivers strong, stable output using LiFePO cell chemistry, known for safer thermal performance, long service life, and impressive durability. Inside, flame-retardant materials, smart cell balancing, and a UL-certified design ensure that every watt of stored energy is stable, reliable, and protected. COR also features Smart Heat Sense protection, a Worksport exclusive innovation. Smart Heat Sense continuously monitors every LiFePO cell for the earliest signs of abnormal heat, identifying issues before they can lead to thermal runaway. It's an intelligent layer of safety that keeps your power system secure and gives you real peace of mind every time you plug in. Unlike the small utility lights found on most portable systems, COR features dual high-output LED panels built seamlessly into its sides, designed to illuminate your surroundings, not just your feet. Adjustable brightness settings let you tailor the light for any situation, from working in a dim garage or campsite to keeping your home lit during an outage. Whether you're setting up gear after dark, checking a breaker panel, or waiting out a storm, COR's lighting system is bright, dependable, and built right in. Now let's walk through how to actually use the COR day to day. The buttons, the ports, the touchscreen, the app, and how battery swapping works when you're out on a job or off the grid. Starting with the AC, DC, and carport options. When you press the AC button, whether from the touchscreen, the physical buttons, or the app, you're activating the four 120-volt outlets. That's what you'll use for things like TVs, fridges, chargers, or tools that need a standard wall plug. The DC button controls your USB ports, the USB-C and USB-A connections. That's everything from laptops and tablets to cameras, drones, and phones. And the carport button activates the 12-volt automotive port. Just note that the carport is a DC outlet, so when you select it, it turns on all the DC outlets. That's great for coolers, air pumps, or any gear that normally runs off a vehicle socket. All three can run together if you need them, or individually if you're managing battery life. The touchscreen gives you a clear view of what's active, how much power each output is using, and how much battery you have left. The touchscreen is also where you adjust brightness and check basic system info. It's simple to read, and when you tap a function, you'll see exactly what's on and how long you can keep running. Now, if you're not standing right beside the COR like I am now, maybe you're on a job site, or you've set it up beside your truck, the Smart Life app really helps. You can check the battery level, see what's drawing power, turn outputs on or off, and monitor things from your phone without walking back to the unit. Swapping batteries is just as straightforward. When a battery runs low, powering down the COR will safely shut off any active ports. Then, you pull the battery out, slide a fresh one in, and the unit will recognize it automatically. When the new battery clicks in, you power the system back on the same way. Hold the main button for a few seconds, and you're good to go. You don't need tools, cables, or any setup. just swap and keep going. The only thing to be mindful of is making sure the core is powered down before removing the battery. That's what keeps everything safe and prevents any interruption in the electronics you're using. COR gives you multiple ways to stay powered. Charge the system directly through the inverter using solar panels, a 12-volt vehicle connection, or standard AC input, capable of handling up to 1,000 watts of solar charging when a battery is installed in the inverter. Each COR battery can also be charged independently through an external AC power adapter, which can be purchased separately at worksport.com. This lets you keep spare batteries topped up and ready to swap in at any time. Pair COR with Worksport's Solus solar array for effortless off-grid charging using your pickup truck. Together, they create a complete off-grid solution that delivers clean, quiet power for work, travel, or emergency use. If you'd like to learn more about Solus, we also have a dedicated walkthrough that goes into all its features. And COR doesn't just bring power, it brings freedom. Its rugged portability means big energy without the big box. At just 38.6 pounds total, batteries under 20, and a system you can carry piece by piece, moving COR around couldn't be easier. Need 3 kilowatt hours? Take 3 batteries in your inverter. Still lighter and easier than a single oversized power station. Plus, the COR ecosystem grows with you. Need more outlets? Just add another COR inverter and use the same batteries across multiple stations. Expandable power that scales with your life and saves you money as you grow. There you have it. Reliable, rugged, and ready for real-world conditions. So you can live hardcore, explore hardcore, and be hardcore. The Worksport COR is truly power without limits.